In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record bills and payments in Zoho Books step by step. If you run a business and want to properly track expenses, vendor invoices, and payments, this is one of the most important workflows you need to learn inside Zoho Books. The good news is that once you understand how bills and bill payments work, managing your accounts payable becomes extremely simple and organized. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a new bill, how to enter vendor details, how to add item information, and finally, how to record the payment once that bill has been paid. By the end of this video, you'll be able to track what you owe vendors, when payments are due, and keep your accounting records accurate. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and look for the Purchases section. This area is where Zoho Books tracks everything related to vendors, expenses, and bills. Click on Purchases and then select Bills from the menu. This will open the Bills page where all vendor bills are stored and managed. To create a brand new bill, go to the top right corner and click the plus New button. Zoho Books will now open the bill creation screen where you can enter the details from your vendor's invoice. The first field you'll see is vendor name. Click the drop-down and choose the vendor that sent you the invoice. If the vendor is not already in your system, you can quickly create a new vendor profile from here. Next, you'll see the bill number field. This is where you enter the invoice number provided by the vendor. Recording the correct bill number helps keep your records organized and makes it easier to reference the invoice later if needed. After that, set the bill date. This should match the date shown on the vendor's invoice. Then enter the due date, which is the deadline for when the payment must be made. Setting the correct due date helps Zoho Books track outstanding bills and remind you when payments are approaching. Now scroll down to the item details section. This is where you enter the products or services you purchased. Select the item from your item list, then enter the quantity and the cost associated with that item. If the invoice includes multiple items or services, you can add additional lines and enter each one separately. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the totals for you as you enter the information. Once you entered all the required details from the vendor's invoice, review everything to make sure it's correct. When you're ready, click the Save as Open button. Saving the bill as open means the bill has been recorded but it has not yet been paid. This allows Zoho Books to track it as an outstanding payable in your accounts. Now let's move on to the second part of the process, which is recording the payment once the bill has been paid. To do this, go back to the Purchases section and click on Bills again. Find the bill you just created in the list and click to open it. In the top right corner of the bill screen, you'll see a button labeled Record Payment. Click that button to open the payment window. Here you'll enter the details of how the bill was paid. First, select the payment date. This should be the actual date the money left your bank account or cash account. Next, you'll see the Paid Through field. This is where you select the account used to make the payment. For example, you might choose your business bank account or petty cash depending on how the bill was paid. After that, select the payment mode. Zoho Books allows you to choose options like check, cash, or bank transfer. Choose the payment method that matches the way you paid the vendor. Once all the payment details are filled in, double-check the amount and make sure everything looks correct. Then simply click Save. Zoho Books will now mark the bill as paid and automatically update your accounts so your expense records stay accurate. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a bill and the corresponding payment in Zoho Books. This process helps you track vendor expenses, manage due dates, and maintain clean financial records for your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and small business software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.